Hello everyone, I'm LavS and welcome to my YouTube channel LavS Vlog Stories. When fun and adventure beckons with your friends or family, you would love to go where you can find both, and in addition to having a good time outdoors. Just 25 kilometers away from Bangalore city, near Ragihalli forest is such a place called Ardi's Nature Retreat, which is near Bannerghatta. Well known as an adventure resort in Bangalore, it is a perfect getaway with friends, family and colleagues. Parking is available for all types of vehicles. We booked for the day outing package, which is from morning 10:30 am to 5:30 pm, and it will cost around 1178 rupees, which is including the 18% GST. This includes welcome drink, buffet lunch, high tea, rain dance with music, 10 adventure coupons and indoor and outdoor games. Meet my friend Sami, his wife Rukaya and their daughter Suha. Welcome drinks were very refreshing. We had options of blackcurrant and butterscotch milkshake. A band is provided for 10 activities which will be ticked after each and every activity. They also provide a map. The first activity was bull ride, which was performed only by Suha. The activity is completely safe with variable speeds that will make it fun for everyone. Next, we opted for water roller, which strolls across the surface of the water body by yourself or with your friends. We need to maintain our balance and walk or run or flip on the surface of the water without getting wet. This activity was fun. Unfortunately, the swimming pool was closed. Next was bottle shooting with focus and concentration. I did shoot one bottle. Then archery for the Bahubali feeling. There was also a cross over the lake in Burma Bridge. This bridge will consist of a thin rope to walk on and other 2 ropes to hold on to it, and might seem like a cakewalk, but will send you chills down to your legs as you proceed further on your painful walk. Please wear footwear if you want to try this. Next was the Egypt ladder, which will test your stamina, balance, and you will overcome your fear. It is an elevated bridge-like walkway built to cross through the rope walk, and is one of the best activities to test physical fitness and mental endurance. You won't feel your arms for next 15 to 20 minutes after perform this activity. The best was the ATV bike riding. ATV bike rides are a fairly offbeat adventure activity that gratifies your adrenaline needs. It is an open-air motorized off-highway vehicle that is designed to travel on 4 low-pressure tires. This activity was fun. Finally, we enjoyed the rain dance. Okay, it was a Nagin dance song, so we had to do that step. There were 2 food courts. The cave restaurant was very beautiful. Food is tasty. Part about the resort was its peaceful environment. You can go and hang out with your friends or colleagues peacefully without any kind of disturbance. It is good for a corporate outing. They also have cottages and tent stay. It was a good experience. Thank you all. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.